I cannot freaking believe it, man. Kobe Bryant freaking passed away. Man, whenever I first got the notification, yo, I swear I thought it was a hoax. And then come to find out, he was traveling with his daughter at the time and another parent and player on a private helicopter, and they all passed away. Like, damn. I'm sorry, man, but that truly touches home, because he gave everything, and this is like, he is the last like, he was legitimately supposed to live like that 90-year life. You know what I'm saying? Like, he was supposed to get ownership in the Lakers. He literally just started to live his life outside of basketball. Like, fuck. I'm sorry, excuse my French, but damn. That hurts, man. That hurts, because he was one of those people that did not take a moment for granted. Coaching his own daughter's team, Mamba mentality, man. Like, it hurts, man. Because I grew up, whenever I used to throw something away in the trash, it was either Jordan or Kobe. You feel me? Like, 8 to 24, you know what I'm saying? 3 championships with your boy, Shaquille O'Neal, then 2 by himself. I believe I have that information correct. Dang. Like, I wonder what happened on that helicopter for it to do that. You know what I'm saying? Because I've seen the images, the crash site. It's like, now they might have moved the helicopter, but like, dang. Lost for words, man.